Here it is. It's something new to the channel. Before we get to kick off that 12 video series featuring nothing but quick start stuff and a few random videos here and there in between all that. So here we have, this is donated to the channel. We received it about 3 or 4 days ago. I can't remember. It's Red Cloud Food Services, number RC 454. It's a halal fig sandwich shelf stable meal kit, number 21315, manufactured November 11th of 2021. It's an eighth of a pound net weight. It's distributed by Red Cloud vs. Inc. And it's a 615 area code. I'm not sure that's it. I'll have to look it up and see, and I'll try to put that information in the description. So without any further ado, let's open up this box. See what we got here. I don't know how far into the contents we'll delve, but if I see something in here that might be of particular quick interest, we'll dive on it. Hold on one moment here. Here we go, y'all. Check this out. We got some shortbread, Global Brands. It's a 2.0 ounce, 57 gram shortbread cookies. 300 calories per serving, 8 grams of saturated fat, 105 milligrams of sodium, 11 grams of sugars. So it's necessary nutritional information. And from the gist of it, it feels like there's 6 little independent square bars in there. So what's the next here? We got some JK Snacks potato chips. They're salted ripple style. It's pretty standard packaging. It's 02622. Yeah, I don't think that's quite correct, but whatever. So anyway, there's all the nutritional information on that. It's distributed by JK Snacks, Cummins, Georgia, a product of Canada. Alright, so this JK Snacks down in Cummins, Georgia is importing this product here because this is a product of Canada. It contains ingredients of potatoes, canola, and or sunflower oil and salt. Pretty standard basic stuff. Alright, so what's next? What do we got? Drink? Wouldn't be complete without something to drink. But this ain't the finale. So we have calcium, vitamin C and D fortified, juice pull, orange tangerine, 100% juice blend, and only here on the stuttering camera. From concentrate with added ingredients, no sugar added, 6 fluid ounces. So there's a little information about the product, and then there's a little bit more and a little sticky straw there with a little twisty, all that good cool stuff like that. Then it's made in the USA. It is distributed Boca Raton, Florida. I'm not sure. It's distributed by Sibreef, the Sibev, whatever. Okay, so then next we got a fork. We got 2 spoons, 2 knives, and it looks to be just 1 fork. Okay, so what's next here? This is the finale here. Right here it comes. What do we have here? This is whole wheat fig. It does have allergens if you're wheat. And okay, so it's got a lot. This is a basic breakdown here. Let's see, I don't know really what to do here if you're supposed to just eat this right out of the container. But it's whole wheat fig, which it's from Bridgeford. It's made in the USA. Best used by 130229. Net weight 2.4 ounces. So I'm just gonna go for the hit and easy ones here. We're gonna tear up the cookies here. We're gonna pop open the juice, and we're gonna continue on. Alright, everybody. I almost feel like I'm at a nice little picnic for one here. So here, cookie thingies on. They got a little design on one side. And the other side's kind of flat. So let's take a bite on that one. You know, I don't just put that sound effect in there when I eat food, not just all foods, but I'm one of them kind of people that appreciate the simple desserts, the simple concept. I really mean that. I am. It don't have to be super expensive or fancy to be good or appreciated. These I know will definitely all get eaten. And then next, let's have a sweetest juice. Very good stuff. It really is. Alright, y'all, so the next victim here is going to be the chip. Okay, everybody, so here we got some chips laid out here for y'all to take a gander at. Just a simple chip. Studio camera only. Here we go. Them chips are a little stiff. It's not because they're stale. They're just a real hearty, thick cut of the crinkle cut. So what I'm gonna do here is grab a skinny piece, get a better feel for how I like it. You know what? Them got a darn good taste. Simple, basic, right to the point. No puns, no jokes, no fake food. This here is the real deal, y'all. So, I'm gonna eat one more cookie, take a drink of juice. I'm gonna pause the camera. I'm gonna go on my other phone, and I'm gonna look that up there to see how to consume it or what to do. And if I can, I'm gonna continue on with that here after the break. Alright? Hold on, y'all. It'll be a split second for you, but probably about 10 minutes for me. Okay, everybody. I did a little research, and sweet fig looks like, everybody. That. And when I say that in the video, man, and y'all, I mean, no offense to anybody that might have any kind of lisp or impediment in their speech, because it is not intended that way one way at all. I'd never make fun of somebody. I was the one getting made fun of growing up, so I know what it feels like to be made fun of, so I'm the last person to ever do that, especially to any of y'all. So let's take a bite here and see what's happening. Everybody, you know what, that's different than anything I've ever eaten in my life, I have to be honest. But it's good enough that I like it. Well, you know what? This is a very well thought out random choices of products from here and there. Can you imagine how much time it took somebody to go online, locate all these places, and order, wait for it to arrive, get shipped back and forth between the warehouses that needed to be to complete, and then ship out, and then to be distributed. So this was received to us by free, It costs us approximately $9.35 to get it to arrive here at our house. And today I'm going to rate this, not individually as per item, but as a complete unit. I gave my thoughts about each item individually and then as a whole. So we'll start with the last one open, the fig, obviously. I've had a lot of fig Newtons and figs over the years. This one here is great. It's probably one of my favorite. You'd be hard pressed to find better fig than that. This outer wheat is like almost like a ciabatta, but not quite. But it's got a good soft texture. It's got a good blend with the fig. The chippies, they're a little hard if you got sensitive mouth or teeth or whatever have you. They might not be quite your cup of tea, but they are tolerable and doable. The shortbread, oh yeah, when it comes to top shelf of the dried up dessert style, stuff like that usually gets a good mark from me. They'll definitely disappear. And the drink is perfectly proportioned to the items included here in the beverage. I'm kind of at odds as why we have silverware in such unusual numbers. The only thing I see works here perhaps is there's a little bit of salt and butter. Though I don't know what you'd put it on. And a napkin. So there you have it, everybody. That is our video for today. I hope y'all enjoyed the video, and I'd sure love to hear what your thoughts are down there in the comment section below the video. This video will not be featuring any links, but the next one that comes out will. The next one should be the first of our quick start video releases. So I'm not even sure what's going to be featured yet until I get there. So peace, take it easy, stay safe out there, my friends and family, and all y'all, and my good friends here that are all creators on the platform around alongside all of us. Until I say, everybody, peace, take care. I love y'all, and peace.